Ever snap a photo and later realize your beautiful sky turned to a white smear? Or that your grandkid's face is lost in the shadow? That's what happens when your exposure goes rogue. But lucky for us, there's a secret tool baked right into most cameras and smartphones that can save the day. It's called the histogram. A histogram is a graph showing the brightness of your photo from black on the left side to white on the right. It tells you at a glance whether your photo is properly exposed. Think of it as a lie detector for your image. It may look like just a graph, but it's whispering the truth about what's really going on in your photo. Your photo might look okay on the screen, but it has some hidden lies in there. So where to find it? On most DSLRs or mirrorless cameras, you can turn on the histogram on the live view or in playback. In smartphone apps like Halliday or Photor Gear that I've recommended previously, it usually is tucked into the Pro settings. If the histogram is nicely spread out, it usually means a well-balanced photo. When the histogram slams into the left wall, your blacks are clipped. No more details left in the shadows. It's like photographing a black cat in a coal mine. You just get void. Blown out highlights are great for horror movies, bad for wedding dresses and skies. But here's the thing, if you're shooting in RAW, and I made a video about this, so make sure you check that after you watch this, your camera is keeping more of that information. So sometimes, especially in the shadows, you can rescue it when editing. If you see clipping in your live histogram, just dial down your exposure. On your phone or camera, bring the graph back inside the walls. Think of the histogram like a warning system. Use it before the shot so you don't spend hours trying to fix the mistakes afterward. However, when you're editing, the histogram can be a powerful tool to make sure that you have all of those details in the right spot, especially if you're editing a RAW file. Now you know what that weird little graph means and how it can save your photos from the too dark or too blown graveyard. I've made a handy printable cheat sheet that you can grab when you join the free AwShoot community. Links in the description. And in that community we have a free smartphone photography course. Even though it says smartphones, it's really talking about the basics that apply to every camera. Have you ever used the histogram before, or has it always looked like a heart monitor to you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more photo superpowers delivered in plain English. So come join us in the community and subscribe. We love having you here.